Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with that lovely FX4 off-road package. We do get rear park sensing with this vehicle and that lovely tow hitch. Backup camera, we do get a hard tunnel cover as well, and a nice headache rack. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice fender flare, a nice gripped running board with mud flaps on the front. You got the fender flares on the front, trailer tow mirrors, side view cameras, blind spot detection, spotlight and turn light indicated, and a nice hook deflector. We do get recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, wood paneling, flat fold storage system, cloth interior, and floor mats, cup holders, 12-volt, heated back seats, USB, USB-C, and 110 volt, and you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you can lift up the seats for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space. We do have memory seating for up to 3 drivers, as well as our powered mirrors. We got spotlights, lights, tailgate, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 126,212 kilometers. We have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone, mute voice, volume, playback, play forward, cruise control, and toggle for your screen. Which you can go through My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-road, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage, cup holders. You even got more cup holders, storage below, wireless charging bed, USB and USB-C, and right there, and it does close, sorry, leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage, trailer brake, pro trailer assist. We got rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12-volt and 120. Media controls, you got storage above, storage below. Above me, we got 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and a nice rear window opener. We also do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and we do get engine brake, traction, hazards, hill, lane keep, and your 360 camera. Looking here, we do get navigation, audio, phone. For your audio, you do get your normal AM, FM, but you do get Bluetooth and Sirius XM. You got your climate controls above and below. And right here, we do have our phone controls as well. Navigation. Any apps you may download show up right here as well with your Sirius XM travel link and your settings such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE52722A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.